Hello dear teachers, I am going to explain you some strategies, that is teaching strategies. Nowadays kids are so smart and this generation need variety of strategies. Just we were having direct teaching like taking the chalk and just writing, it will not work out nowadays. So what are the varied strategies? So in that first we are going to see graphic organizers. So what is meant by graphic organizers? There are so many graphic organizers, but why we need graphic organizers? So everybody cannot learn through video or through physical activity. Some will learn through visual, through drawing. So it actually helps visual learners. Like suppose if I want to say something, I am telling you apple. Instead of that, I am saying you draw apple. So that will be more impact than just writing APPLE. It helps to memorize easily. If there are so many points, just writing a notes, they will not remember. But if you do graphic organizers, they will remember. Helps to summarize the concept. Suppose they have finished tomorrow exam. So they want to summarize instead of writing the normal points. If you give through graphic organizer, they just remember the graphic organizer itself. They can. Helps to remember the important points also. They can use this instead of writing notes. So what are these graphic organizers? So I am going to make many videos. One by one I am going to show. So today we are going to see the graphic organizer Venn diagram. You would have learnt in maths, right? Venn diagram. That will be like a circle type. So actually it helps to compare. Suppose we are taking two different concepts. There are so many similarities and differences you can use. Next is it helps to differentiate. It helps to say the similarities and differences can be used in all the subjects. So Venn diagram is used to compare two things. Like it could be living things, non-living things, or could be different two characters of English or so many things. But I will show you some examples so that you will get idea. You may ask simply draw tabular column and we can write. But how far it will remember? You try this tabular column and write the difference. Venn diagram and write the difference. So which will give more impact? Yes, obviously Venn diagram. Let's see some examples. So first I'm going to show you all subjects. First let's see maths. 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Suppose if I'm saying take your notes children, take the notebook and draw a line, this side 2D, that side 3D, it will never give any impact. Instead of that I'm saying bring a bangle, draw two circles. So with, the two circles should overlap in between. That gives more impact. So it's not that you have to do even circle, you can do any other shape. For 2D you can tell them to draw one triangle this side, 3D instead of cube also they can draw. So what are the differences? So 2D is a flat shape. Then it has length and width. It has sides and corners. Example triangle, circle, square, rectangle. So when they write these points inside the Venn diagram, it will be remembered so well. So what are the characteristics of 3D shapes will come this side. So it is all are solid shapes. It has length, width and height and it has volume. It has faces, edges, vertices. Example cone, cube, cylinder, pyramid. If I have left out some point, you can include also. So these type of not only this, they can use some colors. They can draw the Venn diagram in different color. So what is the similarity? It's not that everything should have some similarity. But here it is actually 3D shapes. All the 3D shapes is constructed from 2D only. Suppose if we are taking a cube, from where the cube is coming, all the square and rectangle we are using, right? So cube means it is all of made of squares. So cuboid means it's made of square and rectangle. So like this we can relate. So the differences will come in this and the similarity will come in the middle. Suppose if similarity is not there, put a dash, no problem. Shall we go to next subject? Yes, next subject is for science. So if a student is watching this video, this is useful for you. You can also list out some points using Venn diagrams. So science, living things, non-living things. So it's need not like they have to draw like this. They can draw one living thing, one rabbit this side and this side some table or something like that. So what are the characteristics? It can breathe, it can move, it can reproduce, it can feel, it can eat, it can grow. 6 points. Non-living things cannot breathe, cannot move on its own, cannot reproduce, cannot feel, cannot eat, cannot grow. But what is the thing here? It's happening is suppose if I write the points just like a question and answer, they cannot remember. But if they draw this diagram and they draw this box, actually I gave for animation. It's need not record to write in box. They can just write in the Venn diagram itself. So what is the similarity? Yes, both are around us. So living thing also we need. No, living thing also need. We are actually living thing. So both are around us. These and all you can just ask them some questions. So next is English. So past tense, present tense. Simply saying write some 10 words. You can write say as fill the Venn diagram with past tense. This side present tense. So I gave some few examples. Is, are, drink, go, dance, come, learn, do. Even the teacher can give this side. So this side they have to fill. So both are action words. So now this side what will come? Was, were. So straight opposite. Further they have to write drank. Go means went, dance, danced, come, came, learn, learned, do, did. It's not that only past and present tense. So I have given which topic is easy for me. It's all over from first standard to 12th standard. They can use this Venn diagram in all over. If any two topics they can use. Suppose they want to use three topics, they have to draw three Venn diagrams that I will show you next video. So next comes social studies. The social studies has a lot of theoretical actually. So we need to remember so many things. Now if you can see, I have given summer, winter, but you can even take a king. Suppose you want to compare two king. So you can use this. Or suppose you want to compare two kingdom, two palace, two places, India and China. So many things you can do. So summer means so very hot, enjoys ice cream, fruits, juices, stay indoors, cotton cloths, drink lot of water. So common is both requires actually skin care. Summer means it will be very hot, you will get skin tan. But winter means it will become dry. So winter will be very cold, enjoys hot drinks, soups, woolen clothes, keep ourselves warm. So when you give a Venn diagram, you can tell them to write the points on their own. Another thing, it's need not we have to write the point. Suppose if you are going for first standard, you just draw Venn diagram. Inside that, tell them to draw some pictures. So summer means umbrella, ice cream, fruits they can draw. So indoor games, all that they can draw. So winter means they can draw. Even we can do as activity also. In a ground, you can draw two Venn diagram circles. You can tell them keep some objects they have to fix in summer and winter. ஸோ தமிழ் ஆல்சோ தமிழ்லையும் நீங்கள் இதை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், குறில் நெடிலுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ குறில்னா குறுகிய ஓசையுடைய வார்த்தைகளை அவங்கள இங்கே எழுத சொல்லலாம். ஒரு 10 வார்த்தைகள் கூட எழுத சொல்லலாம். கல், பல், கொடு, கலை, மலை. ஸோ இப்போ இதை வந்து நெடிலா மாற்றணும்னா இதுக்கு என்ன ஒரு கால் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? கால், பால், கோடு, காலை, மாலை இந்த மாதிரி வரும். ஸோ வென் டயக்ராம்னா இது வந்து நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ண எப்போவுமே பசங்க வந்து they will be very interested and they will ask you, please teach us Venn diagram, like that. So this is one of the strategy where there are so many points to summarize, and visually this will be very helpful. So try this, and if you have any comments, please do comment. So let's see in one more graphic organizer. Thank you.